Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix dry hair easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Okay, I don't have any hair, I'm bald, so that's why I have this little fake head over here, because if I'm explaining something about hair, I can use this hair to demonstrate what I'm talking about, okay? Just so you know why this is here. So there are 4 simple things that I'm going to tell you, and these things will hopefully help you fix your dry hair and get your hair to be a little bit more moist, okay? Yeah, dry hair is something that basically not many people want. I'm assuming not many people want it. So you want your hair to be more moist. These things will remove the dryness, add the moistness, and hopefully that'll help you correct the problem. All right, without further ado, starting off with number one. Number one is hydrate your hair with a conditioner, okay? Conditioner is great. It is meant to hydrate your hair, to make your hair silky smooth, to make your hair nice and easily combable so you can comb it more easily, and so on and so forth. Conditioner is great for many reasons, okay? But definitely if you're trying to make your hair more moist and hydrated and fix your dry hair problem, conditioner is a key factor, okay? Conditioner will help you hydrate it, and you can even get certain conditioners that are labeled as like hydrating conditioners, so take a look at those. But definitely any conditioner will likely help you with your dry hair problem, but definitely a hydrating conditioner will hopefully help you a little bit more. So conditioner is a key factor. That's number one. And before I move on to number two, just with regards to conditioner, in my opinion, you should be using conditioner, every time you shampoo your hair. So if you're shampooing your hair, you should use conditioner. The shampoo is geared towards like sort of cleaning your hair, but removing like the natural oils, and the conditioner is there towards like making it moist again. So every time you're shampooing your hair, in my opinion, you should condition it as well. But like I said, I don't have any hair, so I'm just going with sort of what I know for the most part. But anyways, I just wanted to add that in for number one. So anyways, we're now moving on to number two. Number two is don't wash your hair too much. Now, like I said, when you wash your hair with shampoo, it is going to clean your hair, but it's going to basically strip out the natural oils, which will cause your hair to be more likely to be dry, okay? So now you have to wash your hair because you got to clean your hair. So you got to use shampoo and you got to clean your hair, of course. But if you're shampooing your hair every single day, that's probably significantly too much, okay? You can try doing it every second day, or maybe even every third day. But if you reduce the amount of washing that you're doing to a more reasonable amount, instead of every day you're doing every second day or every third day, then that means that you're going to be stripping the natural oils out of your hair less often, which means that your hair will be dry less. It'll be less dry, not as dry, okay? Because when you clean your hair, it's great for cleaning it. When you wash your hair, it's great for cleaning it. But like I said, it is more likely to make your hair dry. So yeah, wash your hair less often in terms of using shampoo, okay? Now you can rinse your hair as often as you want for the most part, not as often as you want, but you can rinse your hair daily if you're showering daily. You can rinse your hair every single day, but washing your hair with shampoo, maybe try every second day or even every third day. See what works for you. And that should make your hair a little bit less dry, not as dry. Moving on to number three. Number three is apply some natural oils. You can go ahead and you can do your own research, okay? And you can figure out what natural oils you want to apply. But there are many natural oils that you can apply. Some natural oils will say put them in the hair. Other ones maybe want you to put them in the roots. But basically, apply some natural oils to your hair, because that'll make it more moist, which will make it less dry, and it'll fix your dry hair problem. Last but not least is number four. Number four is reduce the amount of reduce the amount, not of hairstyling, okay? You can style your hair all that you want, but this is talking about hairstyling in a specific way. So what I meant to say for number four is reduce the amount of heat styling that you do. Heat styling is when you style your hair with heat. It's great, it can make your hair look amazing. However, the heat styling can damage your hair. So if you have an event to go to, if you have to go to like something cool and you want to style your hair with heat, then go ahead and use heat styling, of course. But what all I'm trying to say is, like, if you're doing it for fun at some time, then don't heat style your hair for fun. Do it only as necessary, because heat styling is great. It makes your hair look amazing. But depending on how you do it, you can potentially damage your hair, and you can potentially make your hair feel drier, look drier, or just be drier, okay? So with that being said, reduce the amount of heat styling that you do. I'm not saying stop stop it. I'm just saying reduce it, okay? And those are the 4 things. I'm going to go over them quickly, really quickly one last time just to drive it home. If you do one of them, that's great. If you can do all of them, then you will really have the best chance at fixing your dry hair problem and getting your hair moist again. So once again, the 4 things are the following, and I'm only saying them one more time, and then we're going to end this video. Starting off with number 1. Number 1 is hydrate your hair with conditioner. Number 2 is don't wash your hair too much or too often. Number 3 is apply some natural oils to your hair as directed on the instructions of the natural oils. And last but not least is number 4. Number 4 is reduce the amount of heat styling that you are doing. All right. And that's basically it. I know heat styling is like one of those things that it just makes your hair look great, but you know, it can cause some negative effects on your hair in the long run. So just reduce it. Okay. You can still do it, still make your hair look great, still style your hair with heat, but just reduce it. Anyways, that's truly it. I've got nothing else to say. And with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro for this video tutorial. So without further ado, here's the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.